Hi everyone, my name is MJ. I graduated with my BN in 2017 from UCalgary Nursing. I currently work as an RN in child and adolescent mental health, and I am now the new vice president for the UCalgary Nursing Alumni Committee. So prior to being in this new role, I served as the bronze co-lead for the UCalgary Nursing Alumni Committee, and while I was in that role, I'm proud to say that I've been a part of some great and meaningful events that we had for alumni. Really, in this new role, I'm excited to support Ariel in her new role as president for the UCalgary Nursing Alumni Committee, as well as the committee members in coming up with new and compelling ideas for our current and our future alumni. Our goal really is to leverage the talents of our alumni in our initiatives and to keep them connected and engaged throughout. So I hope that you guys stay tuned for what we have to come, and yeah, we'll see you guys soon.